If your at-home Brazilian wax turned into a total disaster, don't panic. Whether it's burns, stuck wax, or angry red bumps, this video has 20 easy fixes you can try right now to save your skin. Stop immediately. Don't make it worse. Resist the urge to keep pulling. More damage equals more pain. Pause. Breathe. Assess. You can still fix it. Use oil to remove stuck wax. Baby oil, coconut oil, or olive oil. Warm it slightly for better results. Apply with a cotton pad. Skip the soap for 12 hours. Soaps can irritate freshly waxed skin. Rinse with lukewarm water. Only avoid perfumed body washes. Apply aloe vera or cold compress. Reduces swelling and inflammation. Soothes burning and stinging. Fresh aloe gel is best. Keep it in the fridge before use. No touching or scratching your hands. Carry bacteria. Scratching slows healing. Let the skin calm down naturally. Redness. Try chamomile tea compress. Brew and chill chamomile tea. Dip a clean cloth in and press gently. Natural anti-inflammatory. Don't exfoliate immediately. Skin is already sensitive. Wait at least 3 days. Over exfoliation causes icro tears, bleeding, or cuts. Disinfect carefully. Use witch hazel or diluted iodine. Apply using clean cotton pad. Don't cover tightly. Allow airflow. Wear loose cotton underwear. Avoid friction and sweat. Skip lace or tight spandex. Cotton allows the skin to breathe. Itchy skin. Use a calming balm. Choose unscented, sensitive skin balms. Oatmeal-based creams work well. Avoid menthol or tingling products. Hydrocortisone 1% may help. Itching. Wax to hot cures. What to do? Cool it instantly with a damp cloth. Apply cold aloe or gel. Don't peel hot wax quickly. Monitor for burns or blisters. Ingrown hairs. Start prevention early. Use a warm compress daily. Gently exfoliate. After 3 days, apply salicylic acid solution. Skin peeled off. This is serious. Apply an antibiotic ointment. Keep the area dry and clean. Avoid swimming or gym if it's deep. Consult a doctor. Use ice cubes wrapped in cloth. Instant relief for pain and swelling. Numbs the area safely. 5 to 10 minutes max. Avoid sun exposure. Skin is extra photosensitive. Risk of hyperpigmentation. No tanning or sunbathing. Apply mineral sunscreen if needed. Don't apply makeup or lotions to area. Fragrance equals irritation. Chemicals can enter broken skin. Let your pores breathe. Hydrate from the inside. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water. Support skin recovery. Reduces inflammation naturally. Herbal teas also help. Don't try to fix with more wax. One maxing session is enough. Going over the same area causes damage. Let skin fully heal before re-waxing. Sleep without underwear. Allows full ventilation. Reduces friction and chafing. Promotes calm healing overnight. Keeps bacteria at bay. Learn from the experience. Always do a patch test. Monitor wax temperature. Prep your skin the right way next time. Even when it goes wrong, you've got options. Follow these steps and your skin will bounce back in no time. Like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful.